how to disable traffic alerts on the map into GIS. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can disable traffic alerts on the map. The first step is to log in into your GIS account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see your layers option. Once you've done that, you can see map layers displayed, then select traffic events. Then you can see different traffic events that you've activated. You just go ahead to put it off one after the other. Click on done and cancel this, and then just like that, you will no longer receive traffic alert on the map into GIS. Then once you've done that, the next step would be for you to click on the three horizontal lines that you can see. Click on it, and then a list of options will be displayed. Under these options, click on settings, and on the settings page, you can see some options like language, map, navigator settings, traffic alerts on map. Select that. Then you can see that the toggle is turned on. Just click on it this way, and then the toggle is turned off. And then once the toggle has been turned off, your traffic alert has been disabled, and you would no longer receive traffic alerts on your map. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.